Making money selling books online without writing is not rocket science. Thanks to Amazon KDP, from a corner of your home, you can easily create low-content books like journals and picture books and sell them in a matter of minutes. Low-content books are simply books which do not have a lot of content and writing in them, like notebooks and journals. It might come as a shock, but a lot of people are making serious money from selling books on Amazon, which barely have any words in them. The good news is that low-content books are easy to create and take only a little effort to accomplish. We'll take you through all the steps in today's video. Before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. Number 7. Get on a book creating platform. One of the easiest means of creating a low-content book is by accessing a book creating platform. While there are numerous options, one of the best platforms to go with is BookBolt. Proceed to log in or create an account if you don't have one. The platform provides numerous videos on its homepage, which help to provide a better understanding of how it works. So once you're logged in, head to Create, select BookBolt Designer, and log in with the same login details as the one you used to access your account on the platform. Select Try BookBolt Studio at the top right corner of the page, and then pick the project type, trim size, paper type, and page count you want to work with. Number 6. Choose the type of journal or book to create. When looking for what type of low-content book or journal to create, it always helps to know what kind of books are popular among people. In other words, which books are selling more. In my opinion, you can never go wrong with a gratitude journal. Certain journals are often seasonally inclined and rise to popularity during certain times. However, there's something always to be grateful about, which is why a gratitude journal is bound to perform well all year round. Number 5. Create a cover page for your book. Next up is to create that catchy cover that will gain the attention of your audience before they even get a chance to flip through the pages. If you like, you could use your photos or select from the numerous options available on Unsplash without worrying about copyright issues. Number 4. Pick your preferred book title. Your book title can be anything you want it to be. For a gratitude journal, it can be 50 Reasons Why I'm Grateful. To type in your title, click on the text logo and select Heading. Type in the book title and place the text anywhere you deem convenient on your cover page. If you are unsatisfied with font style, you can pick from the various options available. Then apply color to the text. Play around with a couple of colors till you find the perfect fit. There are also a couple of things you can do to your front cover apart from your text. You can select some shapes from the tab in the top left corner and add them to the cover page if you like. When designing a cover page, you don't need to go all extra. Sometimes minimal is better. With that, you are done with the cover page. Number 3. Move to the interior page. Once you have completed the cover page, you can turn your attention to the interior page. Select the maze-looking tab from the left corner of the page and pick from the numerous interior templates available to add to your book. As mentioned earlier, we are working on a low-content book, meaning the groundwork has already been laid out for you. You can select from the gratitude list template and choose the number of pages you want to add the template to in your book, and then click Submit. And like that, you have a completed book. All that's left is to head to the top left corner, select Project, and under it click on Download this project RGB. This will break it down into 2 separate PDF files, one of which will be your cover page and the other your interior page. Number 2. Publishing your books on Amazon. Amazon KPD has provided the opportunity for people to sell their books, but first, you have to create an account. Good news is that this is absolutely free. However, you must provide certain information, such as tax information, bank account details, and select how you want to get paid. Publishers usually get paid once a month, and payment begins exactly 60 days after the end of the month when you are able to make sales. Number 1. Getting your books to the right audience on Amazon. Getting your book the right traction involves a bit of research work. To make your work easier, head back to the BookBold platform and type in gratitude journals in the Research tab to find out the top sellers in the category and the topics people are searching for as to how to get your keywords. Details like that are essential towards making sales on Amazon. Check out the subtitle tabs of the top sellers and adopt their style, wordings, book descriptions, and placement of keywords and include them in your book title or subtitle bar. You are doing this to mirror the style of other low-content books that have performed well on Amazon. You will have to select whether your book is suitable for children, then proceed to select Publish without an ISBN, after which you can finally publish the book. Amazon on their end will show you how much your book will cost to print. Now, you don't necessarily have to pay upfront, but anytime someone orders the book, Amazon collects 40% while you get 60% based on your book price. Also, to better help your chances, ask your friends and family to buy and review your book. You can then publish your paper book, which takes 72 hours for Amazon to approve. The entire process might seem tedious, but it is worth it, especially if you do the work. If you don't want to sell books online, but would still love to make as much as $8,000 from your laptop, you should check out this video where I show you the secrets to getting remote work on Files.com. Thank you for sticking around. Hope you liked the video. Let us know your opinion in the comment section below.